Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today, and that is for Initio perfume. Here's the shipping container. It's a black box and you can see it says Initio Parfums Prives. It's like glossy letters. There's the shipping label. From Initio, their address, and then my name, Darren Barada. It's definitely a black box with black tape, but on video it's coming out kind of greenish. Okay, so here's a black envelope, Initio Parfum Prives. I think that's gold lettering. And it's like a thank you note. Thank you, experience, and enjoy the power of scent. Initio Parfums Prives. It's blank on the other side. It's nice. Some stuffing. Yeah, wow, this is huge. It's been a while since I unboxed my aphrodisiac perfume, so I'm not used to these boxes being so big. But well, here's the box. This little logo, Initio Rehab. Rehab is the name of the fragrance. Extrait Deep Parfum. 90 ml, 3.04 fluid ounces. The bottom. So I think there's a slip cover. Yeah. Well, we'll take a look at the box again without the plastic. There's the bottom and some information. I'm looking for a code, like a fragrance code or something to authenticate it, but it's been forever since I've unboxed a perfume. Here's the inner box. Logo. Sides, the back, the top. It's hard to see. It's not focusing, but it says Initio Parfums Prives. It's embossed, so you can feel it. Okay. Look at the bottom again. Oh, that's probably the number 2161371. Oh yeah, forgot about that too. So here's the cover. It's got like this velvety felt here material. It looks like a QR code. And here's the bottle. Okay, so like my aphrodisiac, it's got like this metal inlay, and Initio in the fragrance name Rehab is debossed into it, so that's nice. It's a white bottle, and the logo, sides, the bottom. Yeah, you guys, that's probably the code, like the authentication code, the 2161371 number. But there's some other information. Inside of the cap. Sprayer. I think this is information about what ingredients are inside or that make the fragrance. Oh no, I think it's just yeah, I think that's it. Or like they do it in a storytelling way. It's English and French. I like French. Wish I spoke it. It sounds beautiful. And where part of the case where it sits, it also has like velvet, suede like material. So I'll just compare it to my bottle of Absolute Aphrodisiac. In case anyone didn't see that unboxing, this is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty much the same thing. Metal inlay, Initio, the name of the perfume, debossed. Logo. Bottom of the bottle. There's a number there. 1191027. And the black sprayer. It says Initio on it. It's hard to see, but it's there. It's kind of cool to have like one black bottle and one white bottle. These bottles are gigantic. And I got this, I got Rehab because I got the sample where it's, I forgot what set this is part of, but it came with Rehab, Musk Therapy, and Paragon. And I like Paragon too, but Rehab was my favorite. So I really like the scent. I'm going to spray it just to make sure it smells like the samples I got. Okay. Just let it sit for a little bit. I got the Initio Oud for Happiness 10 milliliter bottle, and I didn't like it. I had the sample and I loved it, but the Oud for Happiness reminded me of Ventus for Her. It just smelled like more of like rubbing alcohol. I really didn't like the smell. And again, I was like, what the heck? Like I had the sample and I loved it, but it seemed different. And I was hoping that wouldn't be the case here. And yeah, it smells like the sample. I really love this scent. It's very sweet. and I think it's unisex. Anyway, you guys, that was my unboxing of Initio Rehab Eau de Parfum. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.